Coffee.
Juice.
Milk.
Tea.
Bread. Pasta. Rice.
Chicken. Fish.
Apples.
Lettuce. Cake.
Potatoes.
Ice cream.
Cookies.
Bananas. Coffee.
Juice.
Milk.
Tea.
Bread. Pasta. Rice.
Chicken. Fish.
Apples.
Lettuce. Cake.
Potatoes.
Ice cream.
Cookies.
Bananas. Coffee.
Juice.
Milk.
Tea.
Bread. Pasta. Rice.
Chicken. Fish.
Apples.
Lettuce. Cake.
Potatoes.
Ice cream.
Cookies.
Bananas.
There is one apple. There is an apple. There is a banana. We have a cake.
There are 2 apples.
There are 3 potatoes. There are some potatoes.
There are some bananas. There are some apples.
Non-count nouns. There is some rice.
There is some lettuce.
There is some pasta. There is some ice cream.
There is some bread. There is some cheese.
There is some yogurt. There is some butter.
There is some juice.
There isn't any milk. There isn't any soda. There isn't any banana.
There isn't any bread. There aren't any apples.
There aren't any potatoes. There aren't any bananas.
Is there any milk?
No, there isn't any milk.
Is there any milk?
Yes, there is some milk.
Is there any soda?
No, there isn't any soda.
Is there a banana?
Yes, there is a banana.
Are there any bananas?
Yes, there are some bananas.
Are there any apples?
Yes, there are some apples.
Are there any apples?
No, there aren't any apples.
Are there any apples?
Yes, there are 2 apples.
Do we need any bananas?
No, we don't need any bananas.
Do we need any milk?
Yes, we need some milk.
Do we need any water?
Yes, we need some water.
Do we need any cookies?
Yes, we need some cookies.